Yara Diaz here, and today I'm gonna make a review of my new birthday gift set. It's a mini loom birthday gift. It's a mini loom set. This mini, but it's big. Let's look at it, and I'll be right back. So I am back with my new mini loom birthday kit. It's mini, but as I said, this mini mini. So here it is. It's so small, but it fits a lot of bands. Here I got colors. This is mixed up, and this is also mixed up. This is my white, pink, two blacks. Yeah, and the best thing about this set is, look at all the S clips. It's different colors, and it's so many. There's pink. There's also blue here, but you can't see it because light. There. So here it is. It's colorful, right? 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 So there's my mini loom. Okay, I mean that's my S clips. So next I'm gonna show you my hook. It's color purple. And I also have here my mini loom. That's why I called it the small mini loom set. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a face and it has a nose, and it's so adorable. It's cute. I love it. So I really love this gift. I don't know where to buy it, but I don't know. For those who ask, I don't know. I don't know. I don't have an answer for that because it's a gift. Oh! And look at this. It's so cute. Best part, look. It also takes out. You can also take out the lines here, but this part cannot. And this part can also take off this thing over here, the lines. And it's cute and awesome and nice. So, I don't know when I'm gonna make a tutorial, but bye, toodles.